Hello everyone! Yung content natin ngayon ay sasagot ng tanong. May nagtanong dito, Good AM po, anong magandang insurance for health and for retirement savings for 43 years old si Ferrer? Plan kasi ni husband mag-early retire. Salamat sa sagot. Kung mapapansin po natin yung tanong niya ay may dalawang goal, health and for retirement savings. I recommend kumuha ng plan ng bawat goal. Halimbawa nito, yung goal niya ay health. I recommend sa Yellow Company merong comprehensive health insurance na up to 100 years old. Yung coverage niya mayroong 114 critical illnesses. While sa retirement, kumuha ng guaranteed endowment. Si Yellow Company merong yearly payout up to 100 years old. Ang kagandahan dito, meron siyang option na kung kailan mo gusto mag-payout, ay doon din ibibigay. Medyo challenging yung budget mo at afford mo lang ay isang plan muna for now, I recommend get comprehensive health insurance. Kasi itong comprehensive ni Yellow Company, meron siyang option na pwedeng gawing pension. If ever you want to know more the details, message below or comment below. Thank you!